there he is, hard at work.
What's up?
Father Jonathan Wisniewski.
What are you doing?
Just documenting life here at the sales hall. How much fun we have.
You're editing this, correct?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no, all of this will be cut out. Hey singer, smile for the camera. Yes sir. Yeah. There he is, ladies and gentlemen.
That's right.
Father Chris Singer. He never went to bed last night. He's been shoveling through the night.
Just call me Captain Nemo. Defeated by the snow.
And it's still coming down. So seeing that you're from Erie and you know about these things, when's this snow going to be gone?
How did the line go from that famous movie we watched the other day? The snow, it's never going to end.
That's right.
It's just going to keep snowing
Day after day, yeah.
Every day is going to be Groundhog Day. Although I do like to say that this definitely vindicates the prognosticating abilities of one great groundhog who resides at the seat of Gobbler's Knob in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. When he says 6 more weeks of winter, baby, there's going to be 6 more weeks.
6 more dark, cold, long weeks of winter. And it's going to last you the rest of your life. Is that the groundhog shirt you got on? No.
No, it's not. I should have the groundhog shirt on. Yes, all the naysayers who poked fun at Phil this week in the goofy groundhog of Punxsutawney, he who laughs last laughs best.
Not that any of us around here would have made fun of the great prognosticator.